Ugly fruit benefits the heart, waist and immune system. It doesn't seem very nice to name a fruit based on its appearance. But I'm going to let it slide this time with ugly fruit because this very unattractive fruit is only ugly on the surface. Ugly fruit is a crossbred fruit found in a tropical climate, and it's an incredible source of vitamin C, fiber, and other nutrients, such as pectin and coumarin. It's only been around for about the last 100 years, but in that time has developed a very specific reputation of a uniquely sweet but tangy flavor. Technically, ugly fruit is the Jamaican form of tangelo, which generally is a breed of tangerine and grapefruit. So, don't let the outward appearance fool you. Ugly fruit is worth it. Why? Because ugly fruit has beautiful health benefits, such as aiding weight loss, boosting immunity, and supporting the heart, among others. Benefits of ugly fruit. 1. Aids in weight loss. Ugly fruit has a low calorie count per serving and contains no carbohydrates or fat, making it a no-brainer for those attempting to lose weight, along with a balanced diet and exercise routine. It's not only the low calorie count of this fruit that helps. The presence of fiber in ugly fruit is also a key in weight loss. High fiber diets are critical to maintaining healthy weight or losing weight, if you need to do so. One reason for this is that fiber helps you to feel full for a longer period of time after eating, so you're able to wait longer to eat again without getting hungry right away. High fiber intake may also decrease the absorption of toxins in your gut and improve hormone secretion within your digestive tract. 2. Boosts immune system function. Like most citrus fruits, ugly fruit is a great source of antioxidants, including, but not limited to, vitamin C cells in your bloodstream while also protecting them from oxidation. Antioxidants are important nutrients because they fight the damage that excessive free radicals can do to the body. Unfortunately, the Western lifestyle and diet provide unnaturally high exposure to free radicals that cause oxidative stress in the body. The mutations and diseases caused by free radicals include the big killers like cancer, heart disease, stroke, and many others. Conversely, consuming antioxidant-rich foods, such as leafy greens, fruits, and teas, on a regular basis provides your body the defenses it needs to function the way it was designed to work. Remember, your body is intended to fight off disease. Vitamin C is a very popular antioxidant, and with 70% of the daily recommended value in just half of one ugly fruit. You're sure to reap the benefits of eating ugly fruit regularly by seeing a boost in your immune function. Vitamin C encourages the production of white blood. 3. Helps fight diabetes. Because ugly fruit is a low-calorie food that contains 0 grams of fat or cholesterol, it ranks low on the glycemic index scale. While a diet rich in low glycemic index foods does not actually aid in weight loss, according to long-term research, low GI foods are important in the management of diabetes. The presence of fiber in ugly fruit also helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Another way ugly fruit may be useful in fighting diabetes is the presence of citrus pectin that I mentioned above. A 2016 study in China suggested that the pectin specifically found in citrus may be of great help to alleviate the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. This is probably due to the fact that pectin slows down the activity of enzymes that break down starches and sugar within the digestive system, helping protect against spikes in blood sugar, and slows the absorption of sugar and carbohydrates. 4. Good for the heart. Ugly fruit also has various benefits to protect the heart from disease or abnormal function, due in part to its high antioxidant load. In addition, the presence of pectin and fiber also supports the health of the cardiovascular system. Pectin has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels specifically in those at risk for coronary artery disease when introduced into the diet without any other changes in diet or routine. Cholesterol concentrations are very closely related with the instance of heart disease, so maintaining healthy levels of cholesterol is important to protecting the heart from future disease. A diet high in fiber is also related to a reduction in risk for heart disease. Fiber is associated with a regulated cholesterol level and blood triglycerides. The more pronounced the fiber intake, the less likely a person is at risk for developing hypertension and other factors for heart disease, including metabolic syndrome. This is why the Mediterranean population has such a low rate of heart disease compared to Western people. 5. May reduce the risk of cancer. There are rarely healthy foods that don't impact your risk for cancer in some way. This is because foods with positive nutritive content increase your body's ability to fight disease, while the typical diet of an American contains a majority of foods that do the opposite. Cancer is simply a collection of damaged cells that gather together, and that's why I'm a firm believer in using natural cancer treatments instead of dangerous chemotherapy drugs. In addition to its cancer-fighting antioxidants, ugly fruit also contains other nutrients that are known for protecting against cancer. For one, pectin causes apoptosis, programmed cell death, in colon cancer cells under certain conditions and may be a useful addition to a diet designed to help the body fight colon cancer. 6. Helpful in dissolving kidney stones and gallstones. The terpenes in ugly fruit that may be able to fight cancer are the same ones that show potential to dissolve gallstones and kidney stones. One of them in particular, known as limonene, has been used for exactly this purpose in Japan for some time.